Hello and welcome to Onsite training tutorial. Today we will understand how to manage equipments like JCB, roller and excavator at a project level in Onsite application. First open a particular project, go to the equipments tab, add a new equipment. As you can see I have already added crane, JCB, roller, excavator, but you can select new equipment and add a new one. You can write JCB, meter reading, hour based, click on save. Type the equipment number GH2344. If it is rented, select the equipment supplier's name and click on save. Now you can select the start button and record the meter reading. You can mention the start meter reading, which can be 233. You can also attach an image by clicking on the camera button and enter the stop reading 245. Now you can see it has been used for 12 hours. Now you can click on save or save and add fuel to record the diesel consumption. I am selecting save and add fuel. Now you can record the diesel 12 liters and click on save. Now you can open and see how much it has been used and how much diesel it has consumed. Also you can download the report by clicking on the top PDF button. Download PDF and you can see the report and share it with your team members. Now you can go back and add another equipment. You can go to add equipment again. You can select new equipment. Now you can write excavator. If you want to select the clock based, you can select the clock based diesel fuel consumption. Save. Write the equipment number. If it is rented, you can select rented. If it is owned, you can select owned. Now click on save. Now you can open start and record the start meter reading, like from 12 p.m. we have started using it and the end time, let's suppose 4 p.m. You can also attach an image and click on save. Similar to my previous JCB record, you can also open this and record, see all the records you have entered, and you can generate the PDF by clicking on the PDF button and download the PDF report. Thank you.